Welcome to Stardust Insights. The automotive software and electronics market is racing toward $462 billion by 2030. That's a staggering 5.5% annual growth. That's reshaping everything we know about cars. But here's what's really driving this transformation. It's not just about faster engines or sleeker designs anymore. Today, we're exploring how three startups are leading this digital revolution. Caracol from Italy, Autobrains from Israel, and Soda Auto from the United Kingdom. See how each is redefining what it means to build, think, and innovate in automotive. First up, Caracol from Italy. Imagine manufacturing automotive parts without traditional tooling constraints, creating complex, lightweight components that would be impossible to produce any other way. Caracol's large-format additive manufacturing platforms are transforming how the automotive industry builds everything, from prototypes to end-use parts. Their Heron AM system uses robotic arms with 6+ axes to extrude composite fiber-reinforced thermoplastic pellets. This allows production of large-scale components without limitations. What makes this revolutionary? Caracol can print parts up to 4 meters wide, with potential to reach 10 meters. Their Vipra AM platform uses wire arc additive manufacturing to produce large-scale metal parts with high strength and precision, helping automakers achieve the design freedom essential for next-generation vehicles. Next, Autobrains from Israel. While most AI systems for autonomous driving require massive amounts of manually labeled data, Autobrains developed something fundamentally different: liquid AI technology that learns like a human brain. Their self-learning approach processes sensory information into neural responses, enabling vehicles to interpret surroundings in real time without manual data labeling. This isn't just better AI. It's making autonomous driving accessible and affordable. Their hardware-agnostic solutions work with inexpensive sensors while requiring minimal power, making advanced driver assistance viable for every vehicle. We've created the most comprehensive guide to digital transformation in the automotive industry, covering cutting-edge technologies, real-world use cases, and expert insights. This guide is powered by data from the Stardust Insights Discovery platform, tracking over 7 million startups and 20,000 technologies in real time. For the full free article, check the link in the description below. Finally, soda.auto from the United Kingdom. Soda.auto tackles one of the automotive industry's biggest challenges: the traditionally lengthy and expensive process of developing software-defined vehicles. Their flagship product, Soda V, is the world's first tool covering all automotive engineering needs, from idea to certification. This unified platform harnesses digital twin technologies and AI to dramatically reduce development time and costs. Test coding that previously took 3 days now completes in just 15 minutes. With digital twins in automotive manufacturing expected to reach $110 billion by 2028. To sum up, Caracol from Italy is revolutionizing automotive manufacturing with large-format 3D printing. Autobrains from Israel is making autonomous driving accessible through energy-efficient AI. Soda.auto from the United Kingdom is accelerating vehicle development with digital twin platforms. These startups represent the cutting edge of digital transformation in automotive, driving innovation that will define the industry's future. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Thanks for watching.